A, CD Waterfront warehouse. Although, I'm guessing that this particular warehouse has a bit more in store for the webhead than even he can imagine.
Alright, Old Man Reviews here.
Oh, more symbiotes.
And...
looks like the old Spidey luck
Oh,
is
yeah.
holding out. Well, that looks like the way out of here.
Really?
But first I need to destroy these two generators.
Maybe the way out might be
Looks like I have to
the
clean
way
this
in.
place up too. These generators will have to be destroyed.
He's right behind you.
This looks flammable.
Yep, it is flammable. There's one on the ground somewhere. What's that over there?
Gotta follow my spider
Yeah,
compass.
yeah. Oh, it's a health. Follow the Spidey compass. How does the Spidey compass happen to know where to go?
Aha. Looks like a hidden passage.
Wrong way! Get rid of this quickly, because you're, I thought there was another one of these. Oh. Not the best jump, but I'll take it.
More generators. They'll have to go.
Well, look what I found.
Well, look what I found.
Aim.
For the generators, I need to get to the bottom of this.
Alright, let's see. I was looking for a little few more
Gotta follow
extra
my Spidey
things.
compass.
My webbing is really low.
An enormous ventilation shaft. There must be something big down there.
Ladies and gentlemen, our scientist.
Spider sense tingling. Looks like this is it. Geronimo! Whew! What a rush!